Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a review of CoinRyze.org investment platform. To enjoy this platform, you will need to go to Binance, their Binance channel. You have to join it. You see the link in the description section. They will give you codes that you can enter and use to trade every single day. That's how you can stay profitable. Otherwise, you're going to lose your money. So it's a trading platform. It's not really an investment platform. Your trade determines if you are making profit or not. Now, the first thing you have to go to is calculate. Click on calculate. You enter the amount on your platform, the amount you deposited. Then they will give you 4 stages. There are 4 stages of calculations here. So whatever code they gave to you in the Telegram channel, that is what you copy. Now they will tell you if it's stage 2, you see it there. If it's stage 3 or stage 4. So there are 4 stages. You have to select one stage. That's in this case now, I'm selecting stage 2. Now once you select stage 2, you go back to the platform. You will click on the stage 2 and copy that's what I'm copying right away. So you copy the code they gave to you in stage 2, then you go back, and after that you scroll down, you click on that trading signal, the one with the candles, the one at the center. Then you scroll up, you select the small odd, big even, and small even. You have to select the 3, yes, just as given to you in the Telegram channel. Then you enter the quantity you copied from the calculator, the one that the calculator gave to you, because you have to enter the amount. Like I said, it will give you the 4 options. After that, you click on trade. Now once you click on trade, it's going to tell you how many minutes the betting would last. Now once you wait, you have to wait for the minutes to elapse. You can go to your orders to see, click on my order. You're going to see your orders, then how much you are going to make and everything. Now after the minutes given to you, the trade will be completed, and once it is completed, you will see your profit or your loss depending on whatever happens in the platform. Now let us try to withdraw the money. Now I need to go to my Binance account to copy my TLC20 wallet address. Let's withdraw to see if the withdrawal is possible. Yes, so let's copy the TLC20 wallet address, go back to the platform and initiate withdrawal. So in this case, I'll be withdrawing. That's my wallet. So I'm going to enter the amount, which is I want to withdraw $10 so I can continue with the trade. Then confirm. Don't forget, you need to always get your trade from the Telegram channel. Now this is $10. So that is how much I'm withdrawing, and I have the balance over there. So you see I'm still in profit of 0.18. Now you say deposit is processing, and after that, it says confirming. So I actually got paid. That's the truth. Now do your own research, like I've always said. But this one is a trading platform. It's not really an investment. So it's more like betting. But like I said, the risk is there, and the risk is that if you don't follow instructions or you don't know how it works, you might not make any money. So make sure you follow the instructions and you'll be fine. Now I got paid. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe. I love you. Bye for now.